Just came back from Walmart and did a nice big shopping. I was out of so many things. So I'll start over here with my lemons because I love them for baking and in my water. And I bought these. They're 5 calories. I don't even know. I think they're some kind of candy, but they looked interesting. So I wanted to try them. Trident Vibes. Sounded kind of interesting. A big bag of blueberries, some romaine lettuce, big bag of broccoli, a couple of packages of some chicken meat. I can make that for my lunches, or I can put it in a stir fry, or I was going to use it for my pizza this week on my new cauliflower crusts. And I bought some feta because I'm going to make a quiche. And of course, Cool Whip because I just love it. Some tzatziki. My husband's making some lamb chops tonight. So he asked for that. I got some strawberries. A couple of packages of raspberries. They don't have the huge ones. I usually get them at Costco. I love the Chapman's black cherry. 5 points for a half a cup. It is delicious and only 6 grams of sugar. Some celery, carrots for my salad or just to munch on. Love my shrimp, again, for different things, stir fries, on my pizza, in my salads. It just adds extra protein. I love the Saputo Light. I splurged and bought a huge bag. And for a third cup is 3 Smart Points, some onions, regular onions, Vidalia. I love sweet onions to add to my stir fries. I bought some sweet potatoes, some yogurt. I love, of course, my eggs. And for some treats, I love the Goldfish sour cream and onion and some ketchup crispy minis. I'm hoping to make a soup. Yeah, I know. And I bought some mushrooms. I like to just have canned mushrooms on hand to throw in my soups or my stir fries or sauces, and a squash. So that's what I bought today at Walmart for my meal prep and planning. All right, so you have to be organized, have things in the house, spend time shopping. Okay, I hope this helps you too. Bye for now, and continue to subscribe and visit me on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa, for more inspiration and motivation.